Welcome back to our channel. This is Team Hoover Vlog. So today guys, I'm gonna share with you the unboxing of our vacuum cleaner, which is PerySmith that we bought from Shopee. So this is worth 2,000 plus, but we just bought it for 864 pesos. So let's unbox it guys. So it has a 200 peso gift certificate if you will give them the 5-star rating. So there it is. So my husband is opening it, by the way. So here it is guys. This is the main body of the vacuum, which is color purple and black. So there's scratches, but I think it's just a plastic or maybe they tried it and they Okay, next is a nozzle, right? It's a nozzle for a smaller part of the house or area that we're gonna vacuum. And then this one is usually we use it in the floor. Okay. And also the handle. So to make it longer and it's not difficult for us to hold the vacuum cleaner. Okay, just stick the handle in the body and just try to lock it and it's done. Okay, to put the vacuum, so there it is. We're trying to suck some of the dirt from the floor. So as you can see, it take away the paper and other small particles in the floor. O diba? Even the hair, look at my hair's everywhere, you know. So it sucks hairs too and it's helpful. Okay, more vacuum. Try it out if the vacuum cleaner that we bought is good. So here's the small nozzle. We really waited for this vacuum to arrive so we can clean the screen because we're next to the highway, so there's a lot of dust. So as you can see, it really taken out most of the dust in the screen. More screen to clean, more dust in the screen. So the sound is, yeah, it's the vacuum. It's noisy. That's why I turn off the sound. So it's not really so noisy for you to listen. There, lot of dust. But it really taken out most of it. As you can see the line. So let's check the moment of truth. There, all the dust. So, as you can see, the filter, HEPA filter.